Then the queen holder is fixed to the block on the instrument. A whiff of CO2 helps to immobilize the queen. To control the dose of gas, it flows through a washing flask. The ventral hook, left, engages behind the ventral plate of the last segment. The dorsal, or sting hook, in this case a perforated hook, exposes the sting chamber. The sting lancets and epidermal folds are now visible. The vaginal orifice is recognizable as a wrinkled bulge in the middle. The syringe is adjusted in the direction of the vaginal bulge and the droplet of diluent removed. The vaginal orifice is only exposed in techniques which lift up the sting apparatus. The syringe can therefore be inserted without the use of a vaginal probe, and the semen is injected directly. This concludes the insemination procedure. The syringe and the hooks are removed. The still narcotized queen is released from the holder. Clipping one wing prevents her swarming later on, but it is nonetheless essential to cover the entrance of the mating cage with an excluder as well. Bee candy seals the cage and the queen is returned to her hive. The more favorable the brooding and temperature conditions are for the queen, the sooner she will begin to lay eggs. The egg is clearly recognizable as a small whitish rod close to the base of the cell. Capped worker brood confirms the success of insemination. The store of semen in her spermatheca will last for the queen's entire life. The young queens are introduced into wintering colonies. They are in no way inferior to freely mated queens, either in performance or longevity. Instrumental insemination is now about 90% effective. This is in excess of the results achieved by natural service at mating stations. For this reason, the technique will become increasingly important to practical apiculture in the years to come.